Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Pulse HR, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to adjust the screen brightness on this smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the WITHINGS Health-made application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the WITHINGS Health-made application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the devices page, and on this page you should see your Pulse HR. Now scroll through this page, find the settings icon or other option, and then tap on it. In settings, find the brightness option and tap on it. And right here we can adjust the screen brightness of our band. First, you need to disable the auto brightness, and now you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.